Use your favorite water bottle to access clean water anywhere in the world with the LifeStraw Universal. There are 2 lid sizes that are compatible with most standard or wide-mouth water bottles, and our integrated 2-stage filter removes harmful contaminants to keep you safe. Using it is simple. Fill your bottle, prime the filter for 10 seconds, remove the cap, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then drink freely. When finished, blow the water out, replace the cap, and off you go. The first stage of the filter is the hollow fiber membrane, which keeps you safe by removing bacteria, parasites, and microplastics and filters 4,000 liters of water. The second stage is the activated carbon capsule, which improves the taste of the water by reducing chemicals and filters 100 liters of water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives clean water for an entire school year. Explore the world with your favorite water bottle and the LifeStraw Universal.